Hello student, welcome to our new section. Now this is our BSc semester 6. So your first paper is abstract algebra, that is M11, and your paper 2 is special theory of relativity, that is M12. So your first paper is abstract algebra. So your first unit is group automorphism. So preliminaries, introduction, automorphism, inner automorphism, conjugacy relation, and normalizer. All these are comes in a group automorphism. And your second unit is vector space. So introduction, vector space, subspace, sum of subspaces, span of a set, linear combination, basis and dimension. All these are comes in a vector space. And your third unit is linear transformation. Now next introduction, linear transformation, range and kernel of a linear transformation, inverse of a linear transformation, algebra of a linear transformation, the space L of U, V, composition of linear maps. All these are the comes in a linear transformation. And your fourth unit is matrix of linear transformation and inner product space. So matrix associate with the linear map associate with the matrix, rank and nullity of a matrix. Inner product space, that is IPS, orthogonal and unitary matrix. All these are comes in a fourth unit. And I'm going to take your paper 1. And your paper 2 is special theory of relativity. Now first unit of paper 2 is foundation of the special theory of relativity. Now next, introduction, Newton's mechanics, Maxwell electromagnetic equation, theory of ethers, special theory of relativity. All these are comes in a unit first of paper 2. Now next is second unit of paper 2 is relativistic kinematics, introduction, event and particle, transformation equation for particle velocities, relativistic addition law for velocities, transformation equation for acceleration, transformation of the Lorentz contraction factor, consequences of Lorentz transformation. All these are comes in a relativistic kinematics. Now your unit 3 is tensor and space time structure. Now this is the third unit of paper 2. Introduction, preliminaries, tensor, Riemann space time structure. All these are comes in a tensor and space time structure. Now your fourth unit is relativistic mechanics, introduction, variation of mass with velocity, mass energy equivalence, that is E is equal to mc square, transformation equation for mass, transformation equation for momentum and energy momentum, 4 vector, 4 velocity and acceleration, energy momentum tensor, Maxwell equation of electromagnetic theory in vacuum, progression of electric and magnetic field strength, and 4 potential. All these are comes in a relativistic mechanics. Now this is the fourth unit of paper 2.